Hi everybody, this is Prasina from Telangana Welfare Social Residential School, Nadigudem, Surapet district. Today, my topic is what's in a bag creating compostable plastics. In my topic, you will be able to learn about difference between biodegradable and compostable plastic and making process of the compostable plastic, and another one is aware of the proper usage and proper decompose of the plastic garbage to the sustainable environment. Okay, let us move into, before going to discuss about our topic, I would like to share you one thing, that is I read a newspaper daily and also I enjoy reading some technology related magazines, and when I reading these articles I observe some pictures and so many things, and I want to share you one such article which I read recently from a newspaper, that is about plastic pollution. There are lot of thoughts and provoking issues and interesting issues in that article. And when I am reading this article, I observe some pictures of whales, cows and turtles that are died due to the weight of the plastic. And I observed that plastic was look like a jellyfish to the turtle, and as well as other animals also eat the plastic, felt as their food. It means today we are using the plastic for our needs everywhere, and we are destroying the environment for our needs, and we are not making the sustainable environment. We are making the pollution environment. And you may raise the few questions like what is plastic and how can we decompose the plastic and how the plastic was made. So let us enter into topic to find out the answers for these questions. So plastic, in our daily life where we can use the plastic? Yes, we use the plastic everywhere, like plastic buckets, plastic mugs, plastic plates, plastic tables and the plastic chairs and the plastic cutlery and the plastic textiles also. These all are made up of the plastic. In our day-to-day life, we observe plastic everywhere. And do you know how the plastic was made? Okay, let us think. Plastic is a petroleum product. Traditional plastic is made by the petroleum based raw material, and generally there are few types of plastics like polypropylene, polystyrene and polyethylene. So polyethylene is used to make the plastic bottles, and polystyrene is used to make the bottles and packaging, and also packaging of the plastic cutlery, and polypropylene is used to make the textiles and as well as packaging also. So these generally we use these three type of plastic to make our needs and goods, and we are destroying the environment for our needs. Problems with the plastic means we are using the plastic and we are throwing somewhere, means we are polluting the nature. It was eaten by the animals. When the animals eat that plastic, they are not digesting that plastic. It leads to death of the animals. And do you know how can we decompose the plastic? Yes, there are the few methods to decompose the plastic like landfilling, incineration and recycling. These are the traditional methods to decompose the plastic. First, we discuss about landfilling. Landfilling means they collect all the waste plastic material and they can store in one area, that is landfilling. And in incineration, they can collect the plastic material and they can heat the plastic material and they can change that plastic material into fuel, gas as well as ash also. But in recycling, we observe that when we use for example, if we use the plastic water bottle, we will throw that plastic water bottle in the dustbin. That was collected by the recyclers. Okay, are you getting my point? That was collected by the recyclers and that sent to the recycler plants. There they can change that plastic into bioplastic granules. So by using that bioplastic granules, they can prepare the new plastic product. Here what we are observing in the recycling method means they are reducing the creation of the new plastic objects, and it is worldwide estimate tells us the 9% of the plastic should be incineration and the 12% of the plastic will be recycled, but the 79% of the plastic should be landfilled. Means I think it's very good to use recycling method to decompose the plastic. And today we are producing 300 million tons of plastic every year, which is equal to the weight of entire population. And plastic takes thousands of years to decompose in the soil, and generally the plastic was very harmful to us and it is not easily decomposed in the soil. And we know that we are all are waiting for the best alternative, like all are thinking that, so what are the alternatives to the instead of plastic? What are the alternatives we have to use? So there are few types of alternatives like glass, cardboard and the papers. So observe this, what you are seeing here. Okay, these are straws made up of paper. Are you observing? These are straws made up of plastics. In our daily life, we observe the plastic straws, but it was made up of the paper. So if we can use this, it cannot harm the environment and also as well as us. But using of the paper was leads to the deforestation. It was a very great threat to our sustainable environment. So it's not good to use. And our scientists looking at for the best alternative method regarding the sustainable environment. So that is, they think that compostable plastic is a good to use. Okay, before going to discuss about compostable plastic, let us know about biodegradable plastics. So biodegrade means the material break down by the organisms or the microorganisms or the bacteria is called biodegrade. And biodegradable plastics means biodegradable plastics commonly produced with renewable raw material and microorganisms and as well as petrochemicals. It is combination of three. We are producing the biodegradable plastics. And in our day-to-day life, we observe. So we know that what is biodegradable plastic and what is mean for the compostable plastic means the compostable plastics was prepared by the use of extract which was leave after the agriculture, means leaves, stem after harvesting which was leave in the fields that was used to make the compostable plastic. Means like compostable plastic will be biodegrade in the compost sites and produce only carbon dioxide, water and biomass at the same rate of cellulose. So this is the about compostable plastics. And if you observe in the slide, there is one mapping that was in compostable plastic. They can use only 100% renewable energy. So they can add, that can change into with the low emissions, and by that product they can create the new compostable products. By when we use the compostable products that will easily compost, but that will easily degrade in the soil and it gives the strength to the soil and also humus. It is the friendly, nature friendly compostable. And if we observe sometimes we feel what is compostable plastic and what is biodegradable. We may confuse with that. So don't confuse. Compostable is a part in the biodegradable. Are you getting? Compostable is a part in the biodegradable. And there are few differences between biodegradable and compostable plastics. Like for example, if you see this, are you observing what is this? Yeah, it is the cover which made up of compostable plastic. It is the compostable plastic bag. Friends, this is compostable plastic bag which is made by the cornstarch, and this is the biodegradable plastic bag. It was prepared by the biodegradable plastics, and we know that straws made up of the paper. And there are the few differences between biodegradable and compostable. Means this is the biodegradable and this is the compostable. So it is biodegradable. It have a biodegradable is a natural process and converts into carbon dioxide, biomass and water vapors. But compostable plastic is a controlled process, converts into rich soil supplement like humus, and to decompose it takes, there is no particular time to degradable plastics, but the compostable plastics take 60 to 180 days to decompose in the soil. And there are some conditions to make the compostable plastics, like if you wanted to do anything, there are some instructions. So like as the compostable plastics also have some key conditions like microbes, oxygen, moisture and warmth as well as time. These 5 are very important key conditions to the compostable plastics. So what are they? Microbes, oxygens, moisture, warmth and the time. These 5 are the key conditions for the composting the compostable plastic bags. And there are some compostable polymers. In our day-to-day life, we observe there are some compostable polymers like PLA. So PLA means polylactic acid, and PHA, polyhydroxyalkanoids, and TPS, thermoplastic starch. These are the some compostable polymers. And so we know that what are the conditions and which type of compostable plastics are there, but we don't know which type of material are used to make the compostable plastic material. So look at the slide. There are raw material used in the making of the compostable plastics like corn starch, potato starch and tapioca starch, cellulose, soya protein and lactic acid. These are the raw material used to make the compostable plastics. So starch means nothing but a carbohydrates, and tapioca starch means the extract of the cassava plant from the roots. It is the tapioca starch. And cellulose, it is also extract from the trees in the stem that was collected from the stem. It is called cellulose. And starch means carbohydrates. We know that tapioca starch was collected by the cassava plant roots, and cellulose is collected by the stem of the plants. So these are the raw material used to make the compostable plastic bags. And we know that which type of material are using, which type of conditions we have to apply, and what are the material used in that, and what are the key conditions also. But we don't know the process. Let us enter into know about the process. First, they can take the corn kernels and they can turn the corn kernels into the starch, and they can add the sulfur dioxide and water to that corn kernels in the boilers. In the boilers, after it was changed into polymer. Polymer means long chain. After it was sent to the fermentation tanks. In that fermentation tanks, they can add the citric acid to the polymers. Are you getting? Citric acid to the polymers. So after when they add citric acid to the polymer, that was turns into PLA, polylactic acid. So it is the steps to how to make the corn into the compostable plastics. And we are observing here structure of a polylactic acid, and we know that which type of steps we have to follow. But the machinery, if you observe in the slide, there are machinery used in the compostable plastics. In the first, we observe the maize milling equipment, and next one we observe the boiler, and another one is the fermentation tanks. In the boilers, they can change that into the starch, and after in the maize milling, they can change that corn into the starch, and in the boilers, they can add the sulfur dioxide and hot water. Later, it was turns into the polymer, and in the fermentation tanks, they can add the citric acid to the polymer that was turns into the compostable plastic bags. And observe, we already know that it is the compostable plastic bag. See, it is the compostable plastic bag. And there are some advantages. If you do one thing, there are some advantages and disadvantages. So uses of compostable plastics are, for example, see these. How is this? For example, if we take compostable plastic, this is feel and look like plastic for the most, and these are very generally freezer safe and fully compost in the commercial composting operations. It's not harmful to the environment. It is easily compost in the commercial operations. And which type of material was made by the compostable plastics? Yes, lot of objects made by the compostable plastic like bags, cups, facial tissues and bowls and lips and cups and lids and napkins and reusable dishware. These all are made by the compostable plastics. Not all which are made by the compostable plastics are this. And there are some timings, like we have to follow the time for everywhere. So there are as well as there is some time to composting. So if we observe, there are compostable plastics take 2 to 4 months to decompose in the soil and strengthen the soil. Means, for example, if we observe the compostable plastics, they will take only 2 to 4 months to decompose in the soil, and they can give the richness of the soil like humus, and they can give the strength to the soil. And but the traditional plastics made bags take 20 to 30 years to decompose and leave some microplastics in the soil. Okay, are you getting my point? The traditional plastics bags take 20 to 30 years to decompose and leave the microplastics in the soil. Okay, and we don't know how to know it's a compostable or it's a normal bag or it's a degradable bag. Yes friends, there are some certifications. Means, for example, in India we have BPI, means Biodegradable Products Institute. It was test our product and give a 3 years valid license with the logo. And CPCB also one of the institute so CPCB means Central Pollution Control Board. It also check our product and give a license to our product with the compostable logo. And there are some brands which was made really with the compostable plastics. Like in Bangladesh, we observe in Bangladesh there is a first made compostable bag by the Sonali Bags brands. Sonali Bags was, we observe in the Bangladesh, was Muhammad Amit Khan. It was Muhammad Khan. So he prepared the first compostable plastic bag in the Bangladesh. And do you know, in our India also there is one compostable bag company, that is BioGreen. So BioGreen is bags. In the BioGreen they can prepare the compostable bags in our India. We have to proud of that because we are not polluting the India. And Green Aliens Biotech. So we all are in Telangana. So in Telangana, Green Aliens Biotech company is also there. It also preparing in the compostable sites. And in Karimnagar, one person related to Karimnagar, he prepared the bioplastic bags in the Green Aliens Biotech. And these are the symbols for, and we have some few symbols for the compostable plastic bags. And for example, if we observe the recyclable. So recyclable means we are reducing the creation of the what? Creation of the new plastic method. And biodegradable means it was completely break down by the microorganisms or the bacteria. And compostable means it was prepared by the using the extract of the agriculture field after the harvesting. This is the symbols for recyclable and biodegradable as well as compostable. These are the 3 logos to prepare the recyclable, biodegradable and the compostable. And we have one, if we observe the polyethylene bag, it having so many petroleum product chemicals. It was very harmful to our India. Not only India, our environment. It can destroy the environment. Our India is a greenery environment, but we are using the plastic bags and making the pollution India. So if anybody ask me, I say that which is suggestible means polyethylene bags are compostable bags. I say that compostable bags because it was a eco-friend to the soil and give a strength to the soil. And if me ask you what your answer, I know you are also answer me. Compostable plastic bags is the suggestible because it was easily decompose in the soil and give a strength to the soil, and is what it give the humus to the soil. And also if we observe, there are so many types of plastics like polyethylene, polypropylene and the polystyrene. So these are made up of, let us summarize our topic from the first. So there are few types of, let me tell you one story, that is one animal was going somewhere and it suddenly looks the plastic area and the animal goes there and eat that fastly because what the animals think that it is the grass. For example, cow, it imagined that it is the grass and it was eating. Means it, when the animal eat that, it cannot destroy, means it destroy her digestive system by herself because the plastic was not at all easily digested to the animals, not the animals, for us also, and it was dead because of us only. We are making the pollution everywhere and we are not making the green India, we are making the pollution. And some authorities like government would say that we have to collect the plastic and use the dustbins. What we are doing, we have to not collect that plastic, we have to ban the which companies are preparing the plastic material. Which companies are preparing the plastic material, we have to ban that companies, and we have to follow the some decomposable process like recyclable. So in the recycle, we observe that they are reducing the creation of the new plastic objects. So and in the recycling process, we know that we can change the plastic material into the biogranules, and by using that biogranules, we are changing that biogranules into the new product. If you observe here, we are decreasing the creation of the new plastic material. And let us summarize our topic. So in our topic, we are learn about compostable plastics and made from the renewable raw material. Are you getting? These compostable plastics are made from the renewable raw material like cornstarch, tapioca starch and potato starch, cellulose and soya protein these all are the natural resource. These all are the natural renewable resource. This made by the so this all natural resource used to make the compostable plastics, and compostable plastics are completely biodegrade in the soil and give a strength to the soil, and compostable plastics converts into humus at the end of their life, and also compostable plastics look like a same plastics. If you observe these two covers, what are these? Biodegradable and compostable. These all are also these two are look like a plastic covers, but it's not a plastic covers. It is a biodegradable and it is the compostable. And there are the best alternative methods like landfilling, incineration and recycling. So in landfilling, we observe they collect the plastic material and they can store in one area. It's not a good. And in incineration, they can heat and they can change that into the fuel. But in recycling, they can reducing the creation of the plastic material. So there are some alternatives like paper. We have to use instead of paper. Paper means it leads to the deforestation. If we use the compostable plastic bags, it is not at all harm to us. And our government promise us to, our authorities promise us, we are not pollute the country to make, we are not pollute the country. because we are using the plastic. So if we not pollute, we have to use the compostable plastic bags and biodegradable bags. These are the good for our nature and good for our country as well as good for our health and animals also. So this is the about compostable plastic. Are you understand? So let us summarize again. So we learn about in this topic compostable plastics and biodegradable plastics and what are the key conditions we have to give to the make the compostable plastics, and also what is the process we have to use, like corn kernels into the starch and the boilers after the fermentation. This is the process, and also we have to change that into the long polymer and how the polylactic acid was formed. And we learn in my lecture about the which type of machinery is used and which type of logos they can. Don't buy the covers blindly because that are very harmful to our country, and we have to make our environment sustainable environment and keep India clean India. And I thanks to all of you to give me this chance. First of all, I thanks to Telangana government and TSAT and TSWRS. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
ఎవరు లేరు. ఆ కలర్తో అంత ఇంపార్టెన్స్ లేదులేండి, వస్తుంది చూడండి.
ఈ సైడ్ ఇట్లా ఉండాలి, ఉండాలా ఇట్లా అన్న కెమెరా అయ్యా కిందికి
కిందికి కాదు.